So, hey everyone, last time, last we explored about the WAO, right, the framework to test your processes. And from what I found, like I was not able to get connected with the team yet, but from what I heard, from what I found, I discussed with others. It was like it had some bugs. It has some bugs, but they are constantly working on improving it. So that's the thing. So after the video, I checked this condition with another, um, you can say with other um, process. So it was working in that scenario. It was working for the async. So I'm not sure what should be what should be the correct way to go right now. But from my understanding, like this thing, it is working, and it would be better if we move on and try to create more test cases and learn more about it. So yeah, that's there. And yeah, the video for the first part is already up on Odyssey and YouTube. So that's also one thing. Now what I was thinking um, was to create a DB, right? Like was to create a DB like this and then test it out once again. So the code will be same, but I'm planning to make it a proper code base, just just for the case to understand how is it actually working, or is it something which I'm missing? Is it something that which I'm missing? Right. Also, I need to check one more thing, whether this currently supports the SQLite modules or not. I don't see the reason it should not, but still, I will ask once whether this support SQLite queries or not. So that is also there, and yeah, that's that's the only thing. I guess nothing more from that on that side. So yeah, now just to check it out once more, let's let's try out another process. Right, instead of using a DB, I'm just sending another, not a DB. It's actually not an SQLite database, so it's also not a DB. Just to recreate this whole test once more. If it works, it's good. If it not, then we'll check on something else. But yeah, so yes, so this is main.lua, and this is db.lua. Let's close this for now and let's check it out. So it first deploys the main data, which is from the main.lua. Cool. What does it contain? JSON, local JSON require. All right. Hello. Let's clear this. Yeah, handler with the name hello and handler with the name check age function message replies. First it should reply this, and then it sends message to 2, right? Okay, I guess. Oh wow, damn. No, actually, sorry, we had it here. So 2, which will be sent to this particular DB, like a sort of DB, not actually a DB. Get age for who message and receive, and it's just replying with the data 30 in it. So, and message or reply, now it should reply back, or so instead of doing that, instead of replying, let me just check once more. what if I just send uh, yeah, this is the reply only, right? So got your age, name, message, who, and everything, correct? Or if I do this, instead of reply, if I send it to like local sender message.com, right, and then send this as a message, instead of a reply. I'm not sure whether this will affect the scenario, but just to check once, right? And yeah, then we check got your age, right? Same string. Let's check, let's just change it to age. So this check will check whether the latest message which is received by this after sending this particular message um, contains the data age, and if it does, then get what's the value, gets the value of tag age. So this should contains 30. Now let's see what does it contains. And deep equal, I thought I already, it's supposed to be strict equal, right? Yeah, let's test it out. Yeah, and test.js. First one ran, and second one is currently working. Something went wrong. Last time I didn't submitted this error to Claude, the AI, but this time I would like to do that. Okay. Oh, damn. Can this be it? Okay, I thought it was it, but it wasn't. So it doesn't matter, but what's this? Type error. Receive type number 30. Let's do it the correct way. Try get. First argument must be of string type or an instance of. Which argument is it talking about? Okay. Hmm. It's saying don't use data over here, so it should work. But okay. And instead of using this, use message or reply. Doesn't make a difference. And okay, let's do this also. It have meet some conditions check. Let's check this out. Oh damn. Damn, is that because this thing? But I have used. Is this because we are testing on the local? Because I have personally utilized this type of format. Okay, just to confirm that it's not the condition check over there. It was just a condition check. What? But why? Why would it be just a condition check? What? Now it's back. Sometimes code run and you don't know why it is running. This is one of those times. Insert equal age should be equals to 30. Yeah, it's working. Damn, that was strange. Okay, let's just do this. Change it to fix the async check error. Not sure what I exactly did, what I changed, because apart from like try catch is the only thing which I see changed here, but yeah. So yeah, this was one thing. Nice. AI. Work with AI, speed up your development, learn, get the stuff done ASAP. So yeah. Now about this. So let's try to integrate Orbit with this, though I don't think it would work in that scenario. Two reasons. First, right now it set up the AO environment as a test environment, though it can work out, though it can be worked out, because they also have a environment where AO can be a like the actual AO environment. Right now, before going to on that road, I would just like to see if AO link is up and running correctly. There is no lags because it messes up sometimes. So yeah, I think most of the things are going correctly. I don't see that major change, but yeah. Okay. Now check the async. No need to do that. We'll create a PR. That's the meaning. Update readme with the latest code. That's the meaning. And let's do it like this. Check why tags only tags are not working. I guess this might also be an issue, like our issue from my end, but we'll check it out. I'll check it out and then we'll see on this. So yep. Okay, let's first set it up for our own AO environment, right? The main AO testnet environment. So over here you can see you can initialize AO in the same way as AR, and yeah, so like it will be completely same like that, just you don't have to import it from WAO test, right? So first let's create a new oracle.lua, oracle.js, and copy paste this here, remove test, and Oracle, remove DB, Oracle data, this, and check info version 0.01, and so yeah, let's head to docs.away.go. For this, let me just do this and this. Right, developer first get request, copy this, right, and get request, handlers add info function and message dot reply, version 3.01, name, Oracle test with WAO. Why not? And yeah, so this is sending the data, and let's receive the response here only directly. Local res receive the data, and class local price, let me just check the parameters, like the formatting of this. Yeah, press for price, this is the reply, feature, string, price, and what we have, tags. In tags what we can enter is like yeah, we can say response for get request. Let me just remove this line. This will become the action, and this you have sent get request, won't be requiring it, but let's leave it for now. JSON, and okay, we need to decode this. Local data will be JSON dot decode this, right? So and this will be from data. Yeah, this will be done, this will be done, And yeah, I don't see any problem with that. Problem with this, at least. And yeah, now thing is to set it up. So should spawn a process and sends a message. So first thing that, but this process won't be getting spawned from oracle.js. Yeah, let me just write a script. I don't want to write it all this again and again. So oracle test, and this will run test oracle.js. Right, yarn run oracle test. What? Oh, I didn't get this. It should be working like this. No? Okay. No. I think improve this. Let's improve this first. Yeah, better, to be honest. Cool. So this is there, and then we don't have the account because we need to import our own account over here, and then it will again throw an error for yeah, ACC is not defined. And for this we can check how to define it with JWK or RV wallet. Right, now just to be clear, let me check one thing. Does it accept directly a JSON file? As far as my understanding goes, yes, but just to check once. Okay, this state, okay, I need to pass. Okay, I'm just passing the same one. Yep. This will take time because we are testing it on the real mainnet, right? Real test. It passed the test cases. Nice. Though I would have loved the PID with me, but it's not there. That's a shame, but let's get it. Past ones failed twice, second time. Reason? I think it's because it was not registered yet, like it was not on the gateway. But let's just first confirm. We need to work with try, I guess. Here dot try. No, actually not. Still, let's see. Can only get out with message. Yeah, it's working. It's just like in few cases, it's taking some. If the gateway doesn't respond with the process ID at the very moment, it takes time. Okay. Is it working with, okay, it might be working with RV gateway instead of the normal gateway. Instead of the cold sky gateway, I mean, not normal. Okay, is working, and let's see the next thing. It should return with the price of air. Now, instead of doing initializing it again and again, why not just, okay, we can't. No, we should be, let me just check if we can do it like this. This will be a sort of setup which we have in Foundry and Hardhat. So async, and then having this and having this also printed out, right? So we don't be requiring to initialize it again and again, and we can just check out with a.p.m, right? And the action, the first one is action, right? Confirm. So yeah, so the action was get request, check if we have, okay, instead of price like this, data, response received, because it will check this and then get price value, the value of the price. There was one more thing, let me do it in the correct way. Check for a particular tag. Yeah, so check can work like that also. So check if the response for tag equals to what? Get request. Let's first check out with this and console.log for now. Result, right? And yeah, this is a bit like this check condition. I'm not sure whether this will work correctly, but yeah, let's check it out. First is done. Okay, it won't work. I forgot. We have to fund this process also, right? It will throw an error. Mm. Yeah, it will throw an error of. Mm. There's, yeah, because Orbit sends some message with receive response when it's sending the value, so we need to wait for that particular message. Just for once, let's check it out. Though it will throw an error because it won't be having the. We have to do the setup again. Though test only, I will check out the test only with if it saves the particular value. But yeah. Hmm. Something went wrong. Something went wrong. To be honest, I wished like if we could have checked out this error, like while writing Lua code. So like this Lua code contains receive action response. So like right, and though if it would have received to do check with the AO team if we can have conditions check for the. Okay, I'm doing it wrong. This is my bad. We can have it actually. We don't need to. We can see if the debit notice is there. If debit notice is present, right, and you can say request sent. Don't think we require JSON decode over here. Of price, get request. Yeah. Let's check this out. Now why this occurred, that is something to know, but either because Yeah, condition check again here, like the one we have for. Okay, I removed that. Sorry. Am I doing something wrong? Oh, why? Oh, sorry. I was forgetting this then. So many syntax for different language. Don't care. Um, this is different. No. We do have an option for timeout. Yeah, most important thing. Let's simplify this a bit. And okay, now it's actually already simplified. Check. Rs.messages is not iterable. So now instead of doing this, like testing out different stuff, I will be testing out the actual thing for getting the response, right? So what I will be doing is I will write an additional messages over here that it should send some orbit points to every process it deploys, right? So that I will do, or if I just do this, can I do this outside? Yeah, I guess I can, yeah. So since this will be a constant value from now on, let's just check it out once. On okay, not be constant, but if I do test only, then I guess it will be what was the script? Test only. Wow, I guess. What? We'll see what actually test only do. Not sure what it is actually doing, but yeah. One of my friends here, K, he's preparing Junction. It's like an web analytics on AO. So he's also doing something around this. So using AO SDK, WAO SDK. So let me just check out his also, what he did. So this Fiona. I guess he abstracted the whole thing out. Utilities.js. Okay, he's using Air Connect but with the framework of WAO. Okay, that's different. Don't want to go in that direction. But yeah, I'll be wasting some orbit points, but why not? So give me a second and let me just set up this. So I need the file, right? Or I can just fund these. Yep. It's the address. I will fund it with $10 for the start. So every call will be costing us $1 in a sense, and every test case to run will be costing us $1. But no worries, if anybody is wanna try, they can have as much as orbit points they want. They don't hold any real values, never meant to be, and never did. So yeah, now I just need to send a message. Await dot p. Okay. I need to send another message with the process ID of orbit point. Send that. Yeah. Let me check where there was a section which states you can initialize a process. You can use already deployed process over here. This one. So constant.p will say ORPP. Right. Now I just want to send await ORPT dot m transfer after getting the PID, of course. Transfer. Now the tags are recipient PID quantity will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 1 orbit point, and let's clear this also. receive response and local data. So if rest.data exists, then data will be json.decode, and if since data exists, so price will be to string data.price, and price feed get request check price feed get price. Let's remove this. Let's have this timeout for now. I don't see any reason why it shouldn't work, but there can be a lot of reasons it won't. So if it throws an error, let's do one more thing. If it throws an error, await.pim. Okay, I want how can I operate message on behalf of PM? So let me check. So what I want is, like, if there is an error, then the deployed process ID should return us, should send me back that orbit points. If that happens, okay, I can at least call this, right? I can call this handlers add transfer function and almost same. Orbit point transfer recipient will be my wallet address. Fee amount, and remove this, this. Yeah, it should just show. Yeah, you should do that. All right, so let's check how many orbit points do I have right now. I have 44437. If it fails, it would be 44438. If it doesn't, it will remain the same. All right, let's check it out. Cannot process PID before initialization. What? Oh, this PID. Sorry. This should be the orbit process, right? Not orbit process, orbit points. Yeah. So I'm calling as this particular account owner. Yeah. Mm. Oh shit. I was literally thinking like it might work this time, but let's see if we even get our funds back. Nope, we didn't. Let's see if this even get the funds. Don't say it's an entity. Come on. Okay, I don't have. Not sure. Let me check if. Oh, shit. Where can I see the history, transactions? What? Let me check if it's actually sending. Okay, right now this is not working. Okay. Let's test this out. Testing Oracle. Wow. Right. Load this particular file oracle.lua and check if we have received something. Load src oracle.lua send target, and this is AID action get request. This should revert us with the transfer error. Right, now if I run this process with world orbit, and notice, then do this. Yep. It didn't print it this line. So that means there is some sort of error in this scenario, and I guess let me check it out. Inbox. Then why it was not printed? Let me do this like this. Shouldn't matter, but why not try once? Local vis receive action receive response. Right, let's try this out once again. Okay, I guess that was the reason this was not working. Okay, the receive, like the format which I did over here, receive and action like this doesn't work over here directly with the send, so that might be the case. So now let's try it out with our oracle, our test case. Showing the error, transaction not found. Okay, Yeah, the process ID is not here, it's not being found. Okay, I have done something for this. Yes. Nope. Let me put this in try catch block once. Just to check. Right, use this. Like with the original way, but let's check it out. Hmm. It's returning the value null. The hell would it return null? It's saying to change it to versions mode, but how will that make any sense? Okay. This. I don't see the usage of that. Okay, I guess that's the reason. Damn, shit. They don't have the data parameter as such. Ah. Don't bother. But how did it work? Okay, no. What the hell am I? Oracle, right? Let's check it now. What? Yeah, that's it. I don't know like what's the issue is right now. So I will test. I will check on with Tomo, the guy who developed this whole, right, and we'll ask like what's the actual issue is. So yep, not a very productive one, but yeah, that's how we learn. Take care, guys.